This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by charging the S10 Pro Max for at least 30 minutes so battery initialization completes. Once done, install the companion app on your phone and enable Bluetooth. This lets the watch sync contacts and notifications. Press and hold the side button to power on, then select language and region on screen. You'll be prompted to pair, open the app and choose Add Device. This immediate pairing step avoids later data migration and ensures firmware can update before you continue. You pair by scanning the watch's QR or selecting it from the app list. Grant permissions for calls, notifications, and location so features work reliably. After pairing, sync apps, watch faces, and contacts. Make sure heart rate and SpO2 sensors calibrate by remaining still for 30 seconds. Then customize quick settings and tile order to match daily use. For example, move workout and music tiles to the front. This streamlines access, and you'll use swipes and long presses daily. Swipe down for quick settings, up for notifications, and long press to change watch faces. Make a habit of checking the app for firmware updates and backup settings periodically to prevent data loss. If the watch becomes unresponsive, restart it first. If that fails, perform a factory reset from settings and then repair in the app. If pairing still fails, toggle phone Bluetooth and clear cached app data before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.